Okay, going around here to start up this pickup so everyone can listen and see to it run. So bear with me a second. May not be the greatest video, I'm sure. Alright, here we go. Oh, helps if you put the right key in. As you can see, that's the temperature code. We'll go out here and let's pop the hood. Well, that's her sounding. Step on back here. That's what she sounds like if you can hear her. Gonna set her down. I don't know what you can see. I got it propped up. Well, alright, we're going to flip sideways for a second. Don't know if you can see or where it's aimed, but we're going to rev her up. Okay, that's what she sounds like. Sweet, 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 sweet truck. Sweet, 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 sweet. Let's see here. Okay, starting to get warmed up just a little bit. It's only about 60-65 degrees here in this good old Olathe. So, one more time under the hood. And there you have her. So, I'm going to give you one close-up walk around. I had somebody ask me about the truck and its condition. This here's the wonderful fender well that supposedly I did have an accident with. My fender flare hit somebody. And about all you're going to see here, because I removed the fender flare, is just a tiny little spot back there of surface rust. As you can see, the truck's totally straight. The only thing was the fender flare was cracked. It was plastic. So, anyway, let's go back here. And, oh, let's see. We had one more thing to show. What was it? Oh, gentlemen wanted to see the dent or ding on the hood. If you look really close up towards the top here, you'll see a dent. And he asked about the hood being dented, and actually it's right in front of your eyes, but that's just how vague it is. you have a slight crease. Let me try to lower the hood. It'll look real hard to see it. It's just barely right here, but anyway, gentleman asked to see that. He's interested in purchasing the truck. He wanted to see those things up close. Asked about rust. Do have a little bit starting down on the lower trek quarter on the door. The other side of the door has a, so we're starting to see a little bit issue down there. Let's see. Oh, and on the driver's side, that's just a tiny little bit of surface rust right here. Very tiny. But if you need to see it up close, and the other side's not too bad, although it may just be starting. It's all just barely starting to show little signs of age. So anyway, thought we'd show you the truck starting, listening to it running. So I hope you enjoyed.